Our premium deep cleaning solution is a naturally derived formula. Our new and improved solution gently yet effectively cleans, while its natural conditioning properties help to extend the life of the material. Before you begin cleaning, you will need a bowl of clean water and a couple of microfiber towels. First, dry brush the material to remove any loose dirt. Then dip the bristles of the brush into the water. Next, apply a liberal amount of solution to the bristles and start scrubbing, creating a foaming action. Wipe clean with a microfiber towel and repeat as necessary. Allow to air dry. Our premium deep cleaning solution can be used on more than just shoes and is safe on all materials. Try it on furniture, rugs, handbags, and more.